Alright, then welcome back to 618 Gaming and 7 Days to Die. Post Horde here with the Hangover. They busted through that wall and try to repair that. I want to see what it takes to repair all these traps, because I just got to fix this base. This got crazy. I got overzealous when I figured it out, and I really made it a mess. All this needs to be upgraded to cobblestone. This is probably trash now with this busted out, so we'll have to fix that. Big problem there. And then a lot of this stuff just isn't. I didn't even use this one. I don't think this went off at all. Oh, it doesn't have any ammo, so it must have. This one still has ammo. Dart trap didn't go off. It was a mess. So we're gonna go to the top, get the tools. Oh yeah, and then they also busted through here so fast, and then I was sandwiched, and that was not part of the plan. But we made it, and it was good fun. I don't think we got a. Did we get a level? We did. We got a level, but only 2 points. Somehow, I don't know. All right, because. E to interact with dart trap, that's, yeah, and so I don't know if I can like pick up a lot of that stuff. I know some of that stuff you can repair, I think forged iron, so that's one of the reasons I need a forge here at this base. Well, this place. Alright, well, let's grab that. Got pocket mod, sewing kits, farm bundle, crafting mag bundle. Okay. So we're gonna go to info. Yep. That and that. Let's open these. Okay. Bow crafting. Iron crossbow quality 2. So I can make a crossbow. That's fun. Robotic turret quality 2. I can make some robotic turrets. Bavarian hops. And pumpkin. Ratchet quality 2, very nice. I see the ratchet has a little icon below it. I wonder if that's part of the icon or some sort of. Yeah, it's just part of the icon. I don't think this is changeable. Alright, let's see here. What's it take to make another workbench? Zombie coming up the wall here. Oh, come on. Hey. Oh, hey. Dang. Thanks for your service. Okay. There's one report out here. Come on now. What do we got here? We got 5, 6 of you? 7, 8? Well, this is. 7 penetration, I don't know. Let's see, line it up another shot. I don't think I got through the first guy. Just. Oh! No. Out of here. Oh, the hazmat guys decided they didn't want any. Whoa, what was that? That was a funny hat. Light armor rating, nice. Stamina's good. Mobility a little better. Okay. You get out of here. I mean, I'm not gonna let him go. Oh. Nah. Right? I knew it too, even before I pushed the button. Hmm. Go and reload this. I think I am switching away from it too fast still. There we go. Okay, what was it? Motor tool parts. Gotta love them. Yeah. Whew. Okay, after a while. So we're about to hit night of 29. So we got some food, got some water, crafting up some things, making it run back with a lot of mods and different things that we'll need to really just kind of hold out up here at the shotgun with the side effect. We can always run back here for this and that, but I'm really wanting to just focus in on holding out up here. And once I feel like I got it kind of set up where I can make ammo and different things like that, I think I'm going to ramp it up even further. We have had only one horde since we changed the settings to every 5 nights with the variant of 2 days. I thought I had it on 3, but it turns out I only have it on 2. So we had 28, which is actually just a 7-day anyway. For our 4th horde night. And so I guess this would be 1, 2. So I guess it could happen every 3 days, isn't it? I don't know. I think we'll be fine for tomorrow, though. Is basically what I'm trying to say. I think we took the long way around this time. Yeah, this is front door. Holding shift definitely makes it go faster. Wasn't doing that a moment ago. Alright. Home sweet home. I like that, actually. Okay. Can I still hit that box? I can't. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, so quick update. It's in the evening here. We got some more boxes, more storage. We're still not cooked yet. But we've got these 2 things, dude. Fit in here great, but they're in here. Yeah. So now, go get some stuff out of the mini bike, and I guess see what we can do about this base. Oh, we got a visitor. Let's see what happens here, actually. Oh! Is this the new horde setup? What are you gonna do? Make some stairs? Just quit doing that. Oh! Nope. It was always going to be... Oh, what the heck? It was always going to be the cafeteria. Did not bring the nail gun. Jesus. I was trying to do the traps, but the traps don't. Alright. We're hungry, we're thirsty, we got problems. Let's see, what's our inventory look like? Okay. Alright, we rewired it. We're gonna go drop some stuff off and head back to Danfo. We're gonna have to do some tree chopping for spikes and wood for blocks and whatnots. So we'll pick it up next time at Danfo before we leave there, and on our way to the next, hopefully successful, Horde night. 618 Gaming signing off. If you made it this far, thank you so much. If you're watching at all, thank you so much. Till next time, keep on gaming.